Hey guys! Today I'm sharing a super quick and super healthy recipe, a green and ginger wellness shot. This tiny drink is packed with nutrients and helps boost your immune system, improve digestion, and give you a burst of natural energy. Let's get into it. Here's what you'll need. A handful of spinach or parsley, a small piece of fresh ginger about 1 inch, juice of half a lemon, 1 green apple optional, about a 1/4 cup of water. Throw everything into a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a shot glass and drink it fresh. Taste is strong, but trust me, the benefits are totally worth it. If you take this shot 3 to 4 times a week, you may notice better digestion, glowing, clearer skin, more natural energy, a stronger immune system. Ginger fights inflammation, lemon helps detox, and the greens work wonders for your body. It may be small, but this shot is mighty. If you try it and feel a difference, drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy tips. Stay well and see you next time.